This will be the shortest thumbnail course that you have ever watched till now. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so start with this rule. Your thumbnail isn't art, it's bait. It has just one job: get clicked. If you can, use a human face. Make sure those eyes are staring right at the viewer. Show big emotion. And honestly, confusion, shock, or obsession usually work best. Okay, so keep your text minimal. Like, seriously, 3 words max. Viewers don't really read, they just sort of scan. Use bold fonts and high contrast so your message stands out. Make sure there's a clear focal point, just one image and one idea. If you're showing too much, you're probably losing clicks. Color totally matters. Use saturated colors that really pop against YouTube's white or dark background. Think red, yellow, or even neon green. And, always design for mobile. Try shrinking your thumbnail down to about 10% size. Can you still tell what's going on? Before you upload, ask yourself, would you actually click this? Be honest with yourself. Then, check out the top performing videos in your niche and try to reverse engineer their style. Don't just copy, remix. Take inspiration from creators like MrBeast, Veritasium, or whoever's leading your niche, but make it your own. Oh, and save a swipe folder. Every time you spot a killer thumbnail, screenshot it and save it for later. Lastly, don't forget to test. Change thumbnails on your underperforming videos and track the click-through rate after about 24 hours. That's it. Now go create thumbnails that people just can't ignore.